Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters. I hope you're well. In this video we're going to show you 8 great things you probably never knew about Mufti Menk. One of the most popular and loved Islamic scholar. If you remember, last month we posted a poll on our community tab about your favorite speaker. And guess what? 79% of people said Mufti Menk. MashaAllah. So let's begin with some facts. He's the 8th out of 9 children. His father Sheikh Maulana Musa Menk is a well-known scholar, caller to Islam and an imam in a masjid in Zimbabwe. On his own, Mufti Menk was able to memorize some verses of Surah At-Tawbah when he was about 3 years old. This he picked from the recitation of some children who used to come to their house to learn the Quran. MashaAllah. This followed an encounter when Mufti Menk was about 3 years old. He was told by a family friend in the presence of his father and other scholars to recite the verses of the Quran. The man once heard Mufti Menk reciting when he visited the house. One of them then said to Mufti Menk's father, "This little boy would be a Hafiz, one who has memorized the entire Quran." Mufti Ismail Menk commenced Hifz at the tender age of 9 years and completed at the age of 12. He studied Arabic from a young age while studying Sharia under his father. He also attained a degree in Sharia from the University of Medina and later specialized in Ifta at Darul Uloom, Kantharia in Gujarat, India. At the age of about 14 to 18, Mufti Menk was hot-tempered and you dare not to provoke him. This was known even by his siblings. He believes Allah saved him from such attitude by moving him to Medina. He worked on it and today, MashaAllah, he says, by Allah's grace, it would be very difficult to get him angry. Mufti Menk has been actively engaged in teaching, learning internationally, running of Islamic educational institutes for the unprivileged as well as the orphans. He is the head of the Fatwa Department of the Council of Islamic Scholars of Zimbabwe, known as Majlisul Ulama Zimbabwe, which caters to the educational needs of the Muslim population of Zimbabwe. He is also one of the Imam at Masjid Al-Falah, one of the largest masjid in Harare. I really don't think Mufti Menk has ever attended a social media school, but trust me, his presence on social media is on point. Since he started social media in 2011, regular updates, interactive, consistency. His Facebook account has more than 3 million fans, 4 million followers on Twitter, 300k plus subscribers on YouTube, 1.2 million followers on Instagram. For a Muslim from Africa, I bet you this is huge. Can you imagine the blessings he gets from social media alone? This is the real social media for good. We all know how rare it is for an African to receive an Islamic award with international recognition. Menk was honored with an honorary doctorate of social guidance by Aldersgate College. In 2015, Mufti Menk also received an award for global leadership in social guidance. And the last but not the least, Mufti Menk has one of the finest beards you probably have and will ever see. MashaAllah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless him and succeed him in this world and hereafter. Ameen. Guys, if you love Sheikh Mufti Menk, then hit that like button and share this video to the ones who loves Mufti Menk and follow him. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Mtendere kwa waliuli.
Alhamdulillah.
Rabbil alamin.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
MashaAllah.
Subscribe our Sense Islam YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.